Are you stuck on a weight loss plateau and feeling frustrated? You're not alone. Hitting a weight loss plateau happens to everyone. But don't worry, we've got your back. Here's what's going on and how to overcome it. First up, metabolism slows down as you lose weight. Your body needs fewer calories to function, so you burn less. Next, it's easy to underestimate how much you're eating. Those sneaky calories in snacks and drinks add up. Your body also gets used to your workouts, making them less effective over time. And if you're not strength training, you might be losing muscle along with fat. Less muscle means a slower metabolism. Stress is another biggie. High stress can spike cortisol levels, leading to fat storage, especially around your belly. Now, how do you bust through this plateau? Start by tracking your food intake more accurately. Use apps or a food diary. Shake up your exercise routine. Add new activities or increase intensity. Strength training is your friend here. Adjust your macronutrients. More protein can help you feel full and maintain muscle. Don't forget sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to keep those hunger hormones in check. And manage your stress with yoga or meditation. Remember, a weight loss plateau is just a speed bump. Stay persistent, tweak your strategies, and you'll be back on track in no time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going, you've got this.